Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use PayPal for cryptocurrency transactions, full guide step by step clearly. To start using PayPal for cryptocurrency transactions, ensure you have a PayPal account. If you don't have an account, visit the PayPal website to create one. Once your account is set up, log in to your PayPal account. Navigate to the crypto section found on the home page. Here, you will see options for buying, selling, and holding various cryptocurrencies. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to buy. Review the transaction details, including fees and the total cost. Once satisfied, click on the Buy button to complete your purchase. You will receive a confirmation of your transaction via email. To hold or manage your cryptocurrency, go back to the crypto section. Here, you can view your current holdings and their market value. If you wish to sell your cryptocurrency, click on the asset you want to sell. Enter the amount you want to sell and review the transaction details. Click on the Sell button to finalize your sale. To transfer cryptocurrency, navigate to the crypto section and select Transfer. You can transfer to external wallets directly or send to other PayPal users. When sending to an external wallet, make sure to enter the correct wallet address. Double-check all transaction details before confirming the transfer. Keep in mind that PayPal has specific limits on buying and selling cryptocurrency. Be aware of PayPal's policies and fees related to cryptocurrency transactions. Always ensure your account's security settings are optimized for safe transactions. Stay updated on PayPal's features as they frequently expand their cryptocurrency services. With these steps, you're now ready to use PayPal for cryptocurrency transactions effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.